welcome back to Pabli and come I'll show you a magic today. So let's say I'm going to purchase this dress from a Shopify store, and once I'm going to purchase this dress I first have to enter my details. So let's say I'm going to enter my details and now I'm going to move in further, enter the card details, and I'm going to purchase this dress by clicking on this pay now. Once I click on this pay now, you're going to see that my order is successful and I have successfully purchased this dress. So now let's open our MailChimp. From the left hand of the site, I'm going to go towards this audience, and using the email address which I purchased the dress, you're going to see it has been added right over here. So yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Now I have the email address of my new customers right over here in my MailChimp account, and further I can create email campaigns to sell them many more products. So yes, this is a very useful automation which you can also use for your own e-commerce store. Watch this video till the end, and by the end of this video you will definitely thank me and you will learn how to create this automation. So let's see how we're going to create this automation. So to create this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabli Connect. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabli Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabli Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabli Connect. Then come log in inside Pabli Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Shopify. So let's search for Shopify and select Shopify V2. For the event, you have to select new order because you want that whenever you receive a new order, you create the MailChimp member for the same. Because you want that whenever you receive a new order from Shopify, you create a subscriber in MailChimp for the same. So further, you can send automated emails to them or assign them an email campaign. Alright, so let's click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and follow me. Open your Shopify account. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this settings. Once you come on this settings, you have to scroll and go towards this notifications. After coming on this notifications, go towards this webhooks and click on this create a webhook button. For the event, select order creation. So look for order creation and select it. For the format, keep it as JSON. For the URL, paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. For the API version, select the latest and click on this save. And as you can see, the webhook URL is added right over here in my Shopify account. And with this, we have successfully created a connection between Shopify and Pabli Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response. And to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. So to do this test submission, I'm going to open my Shopify store and let's say I'm going to purchase this product, which is a cord set. So I'm going to go towards this buy it now and I'm going to purchase this dress. So for that, I'm going to enter all of my details. First of all, I'm going to enter the email address as demo user6555@pablitudes.com. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as demo, last name as user only. Now as you can see the rest of the details, for the phone number, I'm going to keep it as this. Now after entering all of these details, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the payment method as card. I'm going to enter my card details and click on this pay now, and as you can see that now we have successfully purchased this product and my order is confirmed. So let's open my workflow and you're going to see that 1 second ago Pabli has captured the response for the same. You're going to see all the details. Alright, you're going to see the total amount and the details of my customer too right over here. I'm just going to show you the details. As you can see, this is the name, this is the phone number and the address and everything. And with this, we have completed this step, which is Shopify. And now let's create a new member in MailChimp. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for MailChimp and select it. Now for the event, we have to select it as add new member with custom fields and click on this connect. So now if you have already created a connection between MailChimp and Pabli Connect, click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for the token and the data center. So to get this, what you have to do is you have to follow this help text, and it is saying open your MailChimp account, click on the profile picture, click on profile extras and then API keys. So let's follow this open MailChimp account, click on the profile picture, then we have to go towards settings, or you can say profile. Over here it is written profile. Now go towards towards the profile extras, then let's go towards this extras and then API keys. Once we come on this API keys, you're going to see all the API keys which I have already created. But in order to create a new, we have to scroll till the end of this list, and as you can see over here is the option of create a key. So click on this create a key. Now you have to enter the key name. So let's say I'm going to enter the key name as new contact and click on this generate key. And as you can see, over is my key. So let's copy this key and we're going to paste this key right over here in our workflow. Now to get this data center, you have to open your MailChimp account, and over here in the URL you're going to get this data center, which is after this https:/ and before .admin. So you have to copy this data center from here and paste it in your workflow. After pasting this, click on this save and your MailChimp account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now one by one you have to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So first of all, you have to choose the audience list. I have selected it. Now we have to map the email address which is required. After mapping this email address, the rest of the details are up to you. If you wish to enter it, definitely enter it, otherwise leave it as blank. Like the tags and noticing, select the status of the subscriber, so make sure you keep it as subscribed. And the rest of the details are optional. If you wish, you can definitely map it, otherwise you can leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added a new member in MailChimp. So let's open our MailChimp from the left end of the site. I'm going to go towards this audience to view the new contact created, and as you can see, yes, the detail have been added right over here. This is the email address using which I purchased this product, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And now, like I showed you in the starting of this video, that whenever we're going to receive a new order from Shopify, within seconds and in real time, the member will be added, which is the new customer will be added as a member in my MailChimp account too. Further, we can nurture them and upsell them with the new products by sending them emails automatically using MailChimp too. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this workflow. I'm going to attach the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow too. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.